Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today's video is gonna be quite special only because from time to time I like to do things like this. I like to do unboxing videos with things that I buy for myself, and this one, it's a smartwatch. We have a Huawei Watch 5. I really hope you're gonna enjoy this type of video. If you're gonna enjoy it, obviously in the future I'm gonna make more videos like this. I just want to show, I'm gonna let you from the start. I want to show what's in the box, and then I'm gonna discuss with you a little bit. I just bought this watch like few months ago, and I wanted to stay a little bit just to test it and to give you my honest review. I bought this watch, so I didn't get it for free. I just want to let you know about that aspect because it's very important. Now, first thing, what you're gonna get in the box, and just as a little bonus, I got a free strap for this one, a red one. Not sure if I'm gonna use it. I like the black one, but you should know that it's very simple to change between those straps. Very simple. If you decide to buy one, definitely it's gonna be something that you can do very easy. I want to show you what you can expect from this box, what you're gonna find in the box, but also during this video I'm gonna explain how I think about what I think about this watch, if I think it's worth it or not. So this is the little strap that I got, the bonus item. And while I'm gonna show you this video, I'm gonna tell you that I have the watch on my hand right now, and it feels really good. The materials are quite premium. I don't have a scratch, I don't have protection for it, and I use it for like at least 2 or 3 months, something like that. And I really like it. Maybe a downside, maybe it feels a little bit too heavy on my hand sometimes, and only because I'm not get used to a watch, maybe because of that. But if for everything else, for the even for the sport, even for the medical purpose, because yes, it has a lot of those things, I think it's really good. At least it's my opinion so far. The aspect of this watch was for me the thing that I love the most. That's why I bought it. It's simple, it has a pretty big screen. I cannot find something that I don't like in matter of how it's looking. That's for sure. Now let's see what we can find inside the box. I like the packaging very much, and also it's the charging, it's really good. It's fast charging, so definitely that helps. I will say that I think I charge this watch at 3 or 4 days, something like that, with real-time use when I'm wear it every single day, something like that, 3 or 4 days. But again, I'm just discussing with you right now, even though my English is not perfect. I know I struggle a little bit. I'm discussing with you, and because I just wanted to show what is in the box, and not to make the perfect review. I'm not doing this type of videos. Maybe I should do in the future, I'm not sure, but after I'm gonna perfect my English, let's say that. This is the little charger, which is magnetic. You're gonna just put the clock on that thing right there and it's gonna charge. Easy as that. It's magnetic, wireless charging. Looks really nice. It has an USB port, as you can see right there. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have some little booklets. Okay. And now, okay, those are the sensors. We have a lot of sensors right there. On the right part, you're gonna have the one for medical usage. It's sometimes it can be hard to read your finger if you don't know how to use it, but only if you don't know how to use it. After you're gonna get used to, every single time you're gonna get it perfect. But for new users, I tried with some of my friends, and they had a little trouble using that medical sensor. I'm not sure what is the term, but the sensor on the right, the one that's gonna read your pulse, your everything, your stress, your, I don't know, your heart rate, things like that. But again, I really like the system of that strap. It's really easy to change. As you can see right here, you can just press a button and that's it. You're gonna put the other one, or you can just change it. It's in 1 second you're gonna do it, and never broke that system for me. It's perfect right there. So again, the materials are premium. I really like it. No scratch on the watch, even though I didn't put a protection or something like that. The colors are very bright, are very nice. Again, maybe for me it's a little bit heavy on the hand, and maybe that is the only downside. The menu is quite simple. I have regular updates, and basically I like this little watch. But I think that's it. Tell me if you want to see more of these videos. Again, for me it was I'm always doing this type of unboxing videos. Very rare, very rare. Like, subscribe, share. Love you all, and like always, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Huawei, nice brand, I like it. Even though my and by the way, my phone, it's a Samsung, but it's perfect with this brand. So they connect each other very good, without any problem. And probably on the iPhone is the same. Yeah, that's it. Love you. Be safe. Bye.